Mount Ararat at 4,630 meters altitude, Part 11. Most of both the breast fields A and B are of building-type structures of all sizes, width and height, whose purpose could only be that of sheltering animals, since Noah's Ark was built to preserve the animal species of the world. The building-type structures of both the breast fields appear of different shapes that vary from square, rectangular, small domes, and other shapes, and the buildings present in both the breast field A and B appear also as if made of different material. With the breast field A, the buildings appear of greater height, width, and length from those of the breast field B. As these buildings are laid out in both the breast fields, it appears that the sizes of these building-type structures, from the biggest of buildings to the smallest, depend on the sizes of animal pairs and the room for their shelter. Though these buildings appear more as if they could house people instead of just animals, and in the thousands, there is no scripture in the Bible that other than Noah and his family, there were other people on his ship. The building-type structures in both the breast field A and the breast field B, as they appear, would have that inside Noah's Ark, animals were separated from each other, not just by their species, but also in their size and weight. The barge in the breast field has areas with separating walls, and the whole area of the debris from the barge structure at 4,605 meters appears as that of a giant warehouse of boxes of all sizes, placed one over the other, next to each other, forming straight lines with spaces between them, the space of that of an adult person to walk around them, along with buildings and streets running through them and around them, and even buildings on multiple floors and above street levels of the ship and multiple street levels. Box-type structures positioned next to each other, as if respecting some geometrical design, and positioned in straight lines in an orderly manner, and some forming towers. But the mystery is basically two questions. Why did Noah make an area of the ship with numerous big buildings, but few and small animal shelters, which is the superstructure of the breast field, at 4,605 meters, the breast field A, and then having the breast field B with many buildings, but smaller in size from the superstructure buildings, and with more animal shelters from the breast field A? The only possible explanation, in my understanding, would be that Noah, in his layout of animals in both superstructure and barge structure, would be that of distributing the weight of all animal mass all across the ship, so not to have areas of the ship that weighed more than others, for reasons of ship stability over the waters. Another question is, what were the animals of the superstructure, and is the breast field at 4,605 meters, that because of the height of the buildings and the entrances to these buildings, there must have been animals of huge size and height.